The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. This lovely lake view home sits within steps of one of the 3 interior lakes in Four Seasons. 5 bedroom/3 bath and over 3,200 square feet, offers lots of rooms for family and friends. This home has been beautifully maintained, is sparkling clean, and offers a flowing floor plan. You'll love the large windows which brings in tons of natural light, and vaulted ceilings. You'll find granite countertops and stainless appliances in the main kitchen, and a lower-level kitchenette with a refrigerator, dishwasher and microwave for your convenience. The lower level also features a large family room, beautiful stone fireplace, and tons of storage. There's a beautiful rock garden at the front of the house, and the backyard has been cleared and seeded, has a fire pit, and a new bridge that was built over the creek. You'll love the privacy of the house and cul-de-sac, along with all of the amenities of Four Seasons: pools, interior fishing lakes, tennis courts, clubhouse, gym, and campground.